Hi guys, and welcome back to another Dafty in the Garden video with me, Sean. Now today you can see it is raining, it is bucketing down, and I am just not going out in that. So we're going to do something a little bit more indoors, but we're still going to be recycling and making something fantastic for the garden. As you can see, some waste product. I can't use it for the greenhouse, wrong shape, but what I can do is make something useful for the garden. So let's just get on with this. So now that I'm in from the rain, I want to get out of these clothes into something I don't mind getting paint on. Cover up the surface that you're going to use to paint on top of as well, which I've already done, like Blue Peter, and I've got my bottle. So that next time you see me, I'll be less stressed. So if you are doing this, you need to choose what side's going to be your front and what side's going to be your back. So at this point, I am going to choose a character or a face that I want to put on my plant pot. On this occasion, it's going to be Winnie the Pooh. So all I would do is get him behind where I want him to be, and you can see the picture, and all I'm going to do is trace the picture through the plastic with a pen or some paint or whatever you have at hand, which you think is quite easy to do, and then go from there. At this point, if your character isn't all the way around the bottle, as you can see mine is not, there's a lot of excess. To make it easier for yourself, just cut off the excess. hope you enjoyed, and if you did, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Talking about commenting, you tell me one's your favourite one. Was it the Scarred, Winnie the Pooh, Cinderella, the Unicorn? Tell me what you think, and I'll see you in the comments. Can you guess what mine's is? If you did, tell me in the comments, and I'll see you down there. I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now. Bye. Never had the sound on. Don't forget to subscribe if you like the video. Don't forget to give us a